Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a device from your Hulu account. If you don't have a Hulu account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 1 month free trial. This promo is applicable for new and eligible returning subscribers. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of this page. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. On this page, you will see a section for your account. Under your account, you will see an option that says Manage Devices. Click on Manage Devices. Then, a pop-up window will appear. Here, you will see all your devices. Click on the button that says Remove at the right side of the device you wish to remove. If you wish to remove several devices, just repeat the process. That's how you remove a device from your Hulu account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.